Great. Make sure I pick, you can pick pink, you can do a pink base, you can do teal, purple, whatever you would like to, because I'm trying to do this so I can get all different colors. Give it a little good pastures. And gently take that off. No, because this one I didn't have the, didn't put the treasure, the transfer foil on it. This is the part of it. I didn't put transfer foil in it, but that's, it's okay because I am gonna do the crystal along with this. This is only stick on wherever I put the transfer foil gels, okay? Look at that, but what the part of I put it is applies completely, transfer completely that piece of it. So I am going to using, we're gonna go back and this one look later. I am going to using this super cute mix bags of spring mix bag as is Easter mix bags, and as I said earlier or the last few video, I usually pour them out to different trays so I won't get really overwhelming what I should get. So now go into my condensed glue gel. If you are like looking for a good glue gels for your crystals placement, or if you are using the one you have and it's really like it doesn't say or it keep coming up for you, you should check this one out. And I am going to use my twin tip brush. This side is my side that apply the glue gels, and the other end is a dual end. The other end is was the detail or the line brush. So pick up a good amount. I'm gonna do, I am going to get it. I would say, you know, if you're doing it, if you want to do just part of it, you can apply as a part of it. But I always find myself that I apply more than as a part of I supposed to, because sometimes I just find myself that I'll add more instead of just take it away. So if you're first time using our condensed glue gels, this might be really thick density, so do not afraid of or hesitate to blend them out. Usually it's blended out really nice. And no wipe top coat floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. The purpose of the unclear condensed glue gel and top coat will help grab the base of crystals, charm, chain, beads, and it sucks it in nice place. So floating only, do not pull
just keep it far.
Too hard. All right, I'm gonna create this, looks really stunning. I'm gonna pick some of this pink. Hope everyone have a great Saturday. We are so busy as usual, and always keep myself busy. Busy is good. Keep myself out of trouble. This is really quick, easy, simple, beautiful designs that you can really doing it for your clients at the salon if the clients wanted some, and without like really have to which is takes so much time from you, because it takes so much time from you. It means the cost for the clients will be higher, it is going along with more times you have it on. But this one, you can really create really stunning design for the clients in the time frame between each appointment. And also you can able to increase the tickets of your service a little bit higher. Let me see, I can find a good one. Say too small. I have this tray right here. I love it because there's so many. I picked some of them on my side right now, so then I can get that later. That's it for the beginner who is just start doing the design. Oh, thank you. Why it's so dark and we didn't turn the lights completely on? I still wonder, I'm like, why it's so dark? Did you didn't turn it on? Sorry everyone. Look, I'm browsing around in this because I have a mixed bag, Easter mixed bag, and I get lost in here because there's so many elements in there. But I'm so pleased with this because I can do so many different designs to show you. Look at that. And now if you're done, if you feel like you like it design like this, you're completely done. You can just really place this in under the lamp for about 60 seconds and finish it double secure with condensed glue gel. If you don't want and you want to add a little bit more to make it more of depth look in the designs, crystal placements with animal prints, you can place some of the beads, and this time I am choosing a gold bead to go with that to make it a little bit contrast, because the color background I have is really strong colors, which is I really like that. I love the bright color. There's nothing wrong with that. But you can do a beige, you can do purple, as I say, whatever colors are, and that I call rainbow cheetah or jaguar or whatever you want to call. You can do this with AB, or if you have a mixed bag, which is the Easter mixed bag. I'm freaking like it so much. And I just want to show you how much you can get out from that bag and what can you do with this. You can even do a dragon scale with this one as well. Hope everyone have a great day today, Saturday. We're not gonna be live tomorrow, but we'll continue support, and then you're gonna see that the team will post a lot of different video for you to see, short video clip. So stay tuned on that and stay connected, and there are more products going to launch shortly. I feel like I want. Can I see that? This one a more light little pink. You guys think it's good, or should I go continue the pink down there? It's fine. It looks missing something. Just me. Oh, just me. I don't want too much. I want more crystal. At least one more. That is so stunning. Also, this is for all the beginner who is like start with crystal placement. Here, but an idea too. You can also do flowers if you want to on the diagonal looks. If you want to, just an idea, just for your preference. But you can, if you want to do the crystal, I think crystal looks go with everything. Never have too many blink. Great. Okay, just as for your preference, you can do more. You can really like bling this one out more. But I think I'm happy with this. I am going to cure this in like under the LED lamp for about 60 seconds. And I'm gonna check it double secure with precision glue in just a minute after I cure this. I am moving, be careful on the side because I don't want the crystal or the beads is hang off on the side, which is cause of a lot of like catching on the clothes or anything. So in the lamp for about 60 seconds. It looks so vibrant. Hey Tayan, hey Witch, hey Kia, hey Anna, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope everyone have, hey Fancy Fingers, thanks so much for tuning in. Money bags, thank you sweetie. Sandia, Liz, lovely nails, Nellish, Foxy, Loxy, Fantasy, Kelly, Becca, Belkis, hello, thanks so much for tuning in. Cherry Blossom, Marius, Mariux, am I saying it right? Glamorous, hello Jennifer. Thank you, Moneybags. Judith, what did I miss? You didn't miss anything, you just tuned in. Yes, Moneybag is the first nails. He's Kimmy. Thank you so much. Oh, someone asking for the address where you giving the acrylic course classes. Yoya, is the class will be in Ann Arbor, Michigan. You're probably gonna see the post. Yoya, so then I'm gonna put the note right here so I can answer the question later or send you the link for the class information on there. So I am going to double secure all the crystal. Normally yours should be done, but some of them might have like still like scratches and you feel it's gonna catch in your clothes or your hair. I am going to do a little exam using my needles right there. And if I find the scratches area, the gap, I just need to squeeze just a little bit. You can see that just a little bit right here. Focus. Can you focus? Yep. So I'm gonna do some a little exam and I feel like right here, scratches, right here. I am going to squeeze just a little bit in to make sure that it fills into all my gaps and the edges of the crystal between all little crystals, big crystals, right there. And because we have a lot of going on and this beautiful crystal right here, after it's going and squeeze is all of the extra precision glue in between the crystal. I am going to use my twin tip brush, and now this time I am going to using the light brush and I am going to give it a little gently swipe it right on the side. So this will help so much is blending all that extra precision glue. So then when after you cure it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy on the client's nails at all.